This short guide shows how to buy shares of ArcelorMittal SA, a global steel producer listed on Euronext under the ticker MT.NV. This is educational content only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MT.NV to find ArcelorMittal SA. Select the entry that explicitly shows the Euronext listing to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the MT.NV ticker and the listing details to make sure it's the right stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next market open, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.